Hello everyone, we are JIAJIALI Machinery, and this is our automatic dosing machine, or you can call it automatic batching machine. And this machine consists of 5 parts, which are the controlling panel, the main ingredient silo, the minor ingredient silo, the vacuum suction and weighing units, and finally the high-speed mixer. And let's go through them one by one. Firstly, the controlling panel, where you can store the barcode information of your material and your formula. And the system will automatically mix your materials according to your formula. And we've got a barcode scanner here. You can scan the barcode on the back of your main ingredient, and if the barcode on the back matches the barcode you store in advance in the system, and then the door on the main ingredient silo will open. You can put in your main ingredient. If the barcodes don't match, then the door won't open, so it will prevent all the operational mistakes. And you can start or stop the whole process in the controlling panel. The main ingredient silo is equipped with a dust collector and a screw conveyor to convey the main ingredient forward. And this is a minor ingredient silo, which is equipped with a lots of weighing units, and also with the screw conveyor to convey the minor ingredient downward. And the main ingredient and the minor ingredient, they will be all together sucked up by the negative pressure into the vacuum suction and weighing unit for another round of weighing. After the weighing, they will go down into the high-speed mixer for the mixing, and finally you will have your product here. And if you are interested in our machine, the automatic batching machine, the automatic dosing machine, don't hesitate to contact us. We are JIAJIALI Machinery.